As I think about customer rebuilds, it normally means coming in, pulling the engine out, breaking it down to the sum of its parts, building it back up, testing it, and putting it back into the piece of equipment. Sometimes can take days, if not weeks. The Caterpillar Reman product allows them to have a much quicker turnaround time.
When we get engines, we tear them down, totally strip every O-ring, every seal, every gasket.
We have processes in place to ensure the quality throughout the assembly line. If they cannot meet tolerance, then they're scrapped. Cat Reman is important to the customer in that we're providing a like-new product at a lower price than the new product.
There are value options from a simple starter or an alternator all the way through some of these huge engine rebuild kits.
Whether it's a complete Reman engine or whether it's just a component like a Cat Reman turbo, customers know and have come to rely on Cat Reman as being high quality.
Reman kits for engines, they're just like new, carry the same warranty, lower costs, everything's in one crate. Pretty much everything you need is right there.
If you're doing an engine rebuild or replacing pumps or whatever the repair process is, it is always number one. If there's a Reman part available, we order a Cat Reman.
And it also helps lower that price point. So knowing that, hey, this engine block or this water pump, I can send that back, get a core credit, they'll reuse it.
It's all about the customer. You know, the customer needs to be able to come to us, rely on us for our product, get something that meets their expectations.
When you can have a part that's a fraction of what it costs for new, with like new performance but a same as new warranty, it's a no-brainer basically.